Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have a look at this little costume. It's a inflatable dinosaur costume. As you can see, it comes in different colors and stuff. And yeah, I'm not too sure what to think about the whole thing. We'll see how that works. We are a couple of them, different colors. We're gonna check out the purple one right now. So first off, here's the little model where you have to place in the batteries. What I like, they did not put in the screw, which is nice, and then you connect the little air machine to the batteries, and then that should inflate the whole thing. Um, yeah, I'm not too sure. Well, that's the whole material. Feels interesting. Pretty sure you're gonna be sweating. Let's grab this back in here and then throw that on when we're outside. We're gonna meet up with my friends in an hour, and then we're just gonna throw them on. Then you will see how they look in action. I always said, there's a bunch of different colors you can choose from. And yeah, let's not gonna wait any longer. Here is our little trip. So here it is. This is what we look like. That was kind of funny. Yeah, sadly I'm missing because I was recording. As you can see, the purple one is not there. But we have a blue and yellow and brownish and yeah, dark blue purple-ish and an orange one. And we had a blast. It was so much fun. We were laughing really hard and just a good time. And yeah, I'm surprised that you can actually get these for so much cheaper than I thought they would be, because when I saw them I thought they were probably going to be expensive as frick. So, take care you guys.